Hello everyone, welcome to solve this Math Olympiad Algebra problem, and here we have m cubed plus m square equals to 810, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So here first we focus on the right hand side and we have 810, and we write this 810 as 81 times of 10. We know that 81 times of 10 becomes 810, and after that we have this is 81 and we write this 10 as 9 plus 1. So now we write in 81 as 9 square multiplied by this is 9 plus 1, and after this step we have here we multiply this 9 square on both of these terms, and it will be written as 9 square multiplied by 9 plus 9 square multiplied by 1. So here you see that bases are same, so that we add its exponents and it will be written as 9 cubed plus 9 square. So finally we have the value of 810 is equals to 9 cubed plus 9 square. So now we replace this 810 equals to this value and we call this is our equation number 1. So here we write our equation number 1 implies that, so equation 1 implies that m cubed plus m square equals to 810, and the value of 810 is 9 cubed plus 9 square. And now after this step here we move the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as m cubed plus m square, and this is minus 9 cubed minus 9 square equals to 0. And here we just make the pairs of cubic terms and the square terms. So we have the cubic terms are m cubed minus 9 cubed, and we have the square terms are m square minus 9 square, and this whole equals to 0. And after this step here we need two nice formulas, in which the one is the cubic and the other is square formula. So we have we know that if you have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here we use this nice formula to the first term, and we use the second formula on here, and we know that if you have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we need these two formulas to solve the above equation, so that now we again move towards our above equation, and we first apply the cubic formula on this term, and it will be written as, here you have the value of a is m and the value of b is 9. So you just substitute the values of a and b in this formula, and it will be written as m minus 9 times of m square plus ab. So we have our a is m and b is 9 and plus b square, so our b is 9 square. And after that after this step we have the second value, and our second value is plus m square minus 9 square. So now we apply the second formula to this term, and it will be written as m minus 9 times of m plus 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here you have you focus on both of these two factors, and you see that we have m minus 9 be the common factor, so that we take common m minus 9, and the remaining terms are, so here you get m square plus 9m, and we know that the square of 9 is equals to 81, and here you take common m minus 9 factor, and we get this minus times of m plus 9. So we multiply this minus sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as minus m minus 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we need some little bit simplification here. So Now here first we write the first factor as it is m minus 9, and we need simplification here, and we have this is m square and 9m minus m is equals to plus 8m, and we have 81 and this is minus 9 and 81 minus 9. Sorry, here we have little mistake. So this is over this sign is plus positive sign, so when we take common m minus 9, so these two terms will be common. These are two positive terms, so we have 9m plus m is equals to 10m, and this is 81 plus 9 is equals to 90. So here we have two factors, so we make the two cases here. The first case is we take m minus 9 equals to 0, and the second case is we take m square plus 10m plus 90 is equals to 0. So in this case we get the first real root of the given equation is m equals to 9. So this is our first real roots, and now in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So in order to solve this quadratic equation, here we use the nice quadratic formula. So in order to use the quadratic formula, here we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 10, and c equals to 90. And now here the time to use the quadratic formula. So that here we first write the quadratic formula, and we know that m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our nice quadratic formula. So we substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula, and we move further to solve the other roots. So here we first substitute the value of b, and we have the value of b is 10. So this will becomes minus 10 plus minus square root of b square. So b is 10 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 90, and this whole divided by 2 times of a, and we have the value of a becomes 90. So now we need more simplifications here, and we have this is minus 10 plus minus square root of this is 10 square equals to 100 minus 4 times of 90 is equals to 360 divided by 2 times of a is 2. So now we again write this term as minus 10 plus minus square root of 100 minus 360 equals to minus 260, and it is divided by 2. So now here we have this is 260, and we write this 260 as minus 10 plus minus, here we first separate the square root on minus 1 and this term, and we write the 260 as 65 times of 4. We know that 65 times of 4 become 260, and we have the square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So here we have minus 10 plus minus, we know that the square root of 4 becomes 2 into square root of 50, and we know that the square root of minus 1 is equals to iota, and this is divided by 2. And here we separate the fraction on both of these terms, and it will be written as minus 10 over 2 plus minus 2 times of square root of 65 divided by 2. So here these are cancelled by each other, 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. And here finally we get the value of m is equals to minus 5 plus minus square root of 65 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.